Hey guys, Chris here, back from CNH Small Engine again. We've got another quick video here for you guys today. I got in the mail here today. I got a upgrade Knight's Armament M16A4 front handguard set. I got this actually on eBay here. I ordered on eBay here about 3 days ago. This is what it looks like, a black plastic bag, and I got all the adapters, everything else for it. Knight's Armament down in Florida. They sell these specific things for the United States military right here for that. Titusville, Florida. Knight's Armament Co. right here specifically. Got their logo right there as well too. And this is the upper and lower handguard assembly for your M16A4 rifle right here. You have these little planks. I got the whole kit, plus I also have the actual front grip right here as well too. So this is what the actual bottom grip looks like right here. Here's a grip, got planks on the front and back right here for that. This thing unscrews right here, and you can move this thing around back and forth like here. This whole thing shifts up and down on the actual Picatinny rail. So if you want to take it off, you can just loosen it up on here for that. And you also have the top front rail right here as well too. This is what it looks like right here. And that's your M16A4 rail. Got all your hand planks. Flip this around here. And this is basically the top right here. This is the top rib section right here. And what this does is it fits down over top of this one right here. So I'll go ahead and show you that right here. Put these things together right here. Let me just do it upside down here. This will be easier to do that. Put that down like so. That's a forward position right here, and this is the backward bolts into the actual front portion of the receiver, or upper receiver I should say, and this goes together like so. This thing down in here like so, and that's how it basically sits on your gun. Let me see if I can get a better shot here, sorry about that. That's how it sits on the actual weapon right here for that. So that's your Knight's Armament upper and lower front handguard assembly for your M16A4 20-inch barreled AR-15 style weapon right here for that. Plus, I did have to buy the extra cover kit right here, because this package right here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 6 pieces. That's these pieces right here. They go in these grooves right here. These pieces right here, they go in these little pouches right here for that. You get 3 different sizes. You get the long ones right here. You get the medium-sized ones right here, and you also get the short ones right here as well too. Plus, this kit also included these small little ones right here as well too. Plus, this front bipod grip right here. That's in the bigger pouch of the actual bag right here for that. So this is a good thing for your M16A4 if you want to convert your 20-inch barrel to a M16 style United States Marine Corps like looking AR-15 upper right there for that. So anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, this is what I got here. Go ahead and flip around. I will be installing this thing on my Palmetto State Armory or my secondary 20-inch barrel as soon as I get the actual call the ring remover, or I should say the expander, because on the back of the AR-15 you have a ring that has to be compressed in order for this thing to actually fit up into the rear portion of the barrel group right here. I think it's called a halo ring or something like that, and it has to be compressed in order for it to actually go on to the actual front portion of the upper receiver right there for that. So that's everything we got right here for you guys today. Anybody has any questions, comments, whatnot, this is the Knight's Armament KAC M5. So give you a better logo here right there for that. So there you go, guys.